Actually, I had many confusions regarding my career, even about my higher studies on what to choose and what not to. So I didn't have something in my mind that I have to do. There were a lot of confusions.
I actually had a lot of career options, but I couldn't stick to one.
It's a very good exercise. I think it gives us the opportunity for kids to understand where their skills are and where their interests are and what their ambition is. So it bridges the gap between all these three.
The results, what psychometric results, what I went through, it actually resembles the same what they are. It doesn't show any difference in what we feel and what the results have come. So somewhere the similarities are being matched by the psychometric test.
Counseling session was overall too good, and she was friendly too. She understood so well that even before starting listing out my problems, she told it to me prior to what I told, and it was in my mind to what I had to say. And she gave me a clear mind as to what to choose, and I didn't know that I had get certain jobs, which brought me a lot of confidence to do so. So it was overall a great session, and I do have confidence. I have a clear path to what to do next.
Like he's 80% or 90% more clear now what he wants to do.
Yeah, she was nice, like very helpful. She gave me personal advices as well, like how to maintain consistency and all, to develop myself, my strengths, how to manage my hobbies and all, and to manage my studies with all these things, so I can be better in everything.
The career counseling was good. I really liked it, and it helped me open new paths to the careers that I did focus on, and also showed a part of careers that I did think of.
This counseling really helped me, and he is very confident now, and he has written down a few of the things which he has to go ahead in his career, and it was an awesome session.
I'm honestly very thankful for it. This was very helpful, and the organization giving us an opportunity to take up such a session is great.
I would like to thank them to arrange all these things. Like, it is very useful for us, like help us in our careers. It is like a very vital role in our lives.
My organization has provided whatever I need, and whatever I need for my family also. I am very happy with ITC.
They are doing a very nice job. It is very useful for other children as well, as they will be guided in their career, like to be a better person in their lives and to achieve a goal which make their parents proud, make our country proud, like that.
So it was an excellent initiative by ITC.
I think after this session, they are clear in their mind what the roadmap and what the route they should select for as per their interest in for their success, life success.
There's some care has been taken by some in the management. Children's also is a part of the company. It's a very good initiative from ITC.
I would like to thank them because whatever they did was really helpful for me.
Every student should get a chance to attend such a session, and such a session which make his mind clearer for the upcoming streams to be chosen and the career.